Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best exercise bikes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. Featuring Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance ME709 with a heavy-duty steel construction along with powder-coated finish. The bike has a step-through design that offers extreme mobility during the exercise training and offers quick mounting and dismounting for the knees and back. The bike has 8 levels of a magnetic resistance mechanism. The knob controls the intensity and the difficulty to stimulate the riding on various terrains. The bike has a multifunctional LCD monitor screen that also acts as an odometer. It has a sharp function and panel display that allows you to see the time, speed, distance, and burned calories with Excel number for better readability. Maximum weight capacity, 300 pounds. LCD display, foam padded seat. Features: incredibly easy to get on and off. Step-through design. Pedals with safety straps. Easy to read computer screen. Comfortable padded seat. Transportation wheels. What we like: high quality and most affordable recumbent bike. Smaller footprint than any other model. Various variable resistance. Great option for heavy riders. Stays grounded during intense workouts. What we don't like: seat is not comfortable enough. Number 2. Our second best pick is Balance from Bike Trainer Stand Steel Bicycle Exercise. If you want to use your outdoor bike as an indoor bike, you can do so using a converter like the Balance from Bike Trainer Stand. The A-frame stand rests under your back wheel while a riser rests under your front wheel. Both work together to hold your bike steady in place, allowing you to treat it like a stationary bike. Because the stand converts your outdoor bike to an indoor bike, you can enjoy the authentic feel of outdoor cycling even when riding indoors. What's more, the converter comes with a built-in tension knob, allowing you to adjust your bike's resistance level the same way you would with a spin bike. The stand is compatible with road and mountain bikes with 26 inches or 28 inches wheels. Pros: easy to install. Works on any surface. Wide compatibility. Cons: very noisy with rough tires. Number 3. Our third best pick is Plini 3-in-1 Total Body Workout Exercise Bike. This is a budget-friendly alternative for those who are searching for the best foldable stationary bike. It has 16 resistance levels, unlike most of the options above with only 8 or 10 levels. This means that you will have more choices when it comes to customizing your workout depending on how intense you would like it to be. We also like the design of the exercise bike, which makes it perfect even for seniors. The frame is designed in such a way that it will be easy to get in and out of the bike. Seniors won't also have a hard time gripping the handlebar because it is cushioned. This is also where the seniors are placed, making it possible to monitor your heart rate. Compared to most of the exercise bikes that fall within its price range, the LCD is quite large. This means that you won't have a hard time seeing the numbers, making it effortless to keep track of the status of your workout. The heavy-duty steel construction is also a plus, especially considering how affordable this foldable indoor bike is. You can expect it to withstand wear. Nonetheless, because of the material, it can also be quite heavy. However, despite the weight, moving it around will not be too much of a task since it is equipped with front wheels. Pros: 16-level resistance. Ergonomic handlebar, good for seniors. Cons: seat padding can be thicker. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Echelon Smart Connect Fitness Bikes. The latest EX5S bike model comes with a 21.5-inch HD touchscreen that flips 180 degrees for live streaming workouts. It's equipped with adjustable handlebars and has been outfitted with a new motor for more precise resistance levels. If incline and decline cycling are important to you, note the Echelon won't let you adjust either. Sleek design, competition-style features and a new 22 HD rotating screen make the EX5S our most versatile bike yet. Engineered for maximum comfort, smooth functionality and total immersion, this connected bike removes barriers, transforms workouts and broadens horizons. Indexing resistance knob controlling 32 levels of silent magnetic resistance lets you vary your workout intensity. 6-lever makes it easy to adjust the seat position, fit any body. Fully adjustable toe cages on the pedals for a secure fit. Extra large cushioned seat offers comfortable riding. Powder coat frame for resistance to scratches. Padded handlebars are slip resistant. If for any reason you are not satisfied with our quality or your experience, you are covered for the first 30 days with our satisfaction guaranteed policy and 5-star customer service. Simply reach out to us and we will make it right. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. This bike is a smooth operator thanks to its adjustable 8-level of resistance settings, with an LCD to show speed, time and distance. The heart monitor screen, which rapidly reveals to you how quick your heart is pulsating, can assist you with practicing at the right power for the most extreme outcomes. The agreeable seat will bolster your bottom while the backrest offers extra help during longer and testing exercise meeting. It's also comfortable to sit on and to ride. It has a large padded seat with a backrest, and larger than average pedals with safety straps. The large pedals provide the rider with a comfortable and stable feeling pedal that you can ride for hours without fatiguing. It can take the maximum user weight of 220 pounds. It can take the maximum user weight of 220 pounds. Max user weight, 220 pounds. Cushion seat and back. Magnetic resistance. LCD display. Features: transportation wheels, comprehensive display, pulse grips, real-time reading of your heart rate. What we like: quiet riding experience even at extreme sessions. Quick assembly. The bike is stable and safe to ride. Can be used by all heights and size with various adjustable changes. Very well priced and high quality. What we don't like: no water bottle holder. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.